Number 3, they say in triangle ABC, AB is 5, BC is 14, and AC is 11. Find all the interior angles of the triangle. Give your answers in degrees to 1 decimal place. So let's label this given triangle ABC. So AB is 5, BC is 14, and AC is 11. Again, the picture might not be drawn to scale, but that's okay. So, I don't know, let's just say we want to find angle A first, right? This angle. Since all we are given is all 3 sides, we automatically know we have to use the law of cosines. And for angle A, the law of cosines would be cosine of A equals B squared plus C squared minus A squared divided by 2BC. Now remember, the side length across from the angle is the lowercase letter. So 14 would be side A, 5 would be side C, and 11 would be side B. So the cosine of A would equal 11 squared plus 5 squared minus 14 squared divided by 2 times 11 times 5. Now, just like the previous problem number 2, we still need to get A by itself by taking the inverse cosine of both sides. That will get us angle A by itself. So we need to take the inverse cosine of all of that stuff. Second cosine, 11 squared plus 5 squared minus 14 squared divided by 2 times 11 times 5. And we need to round to 1 decimal place, which would just be 117.0. So that's angle A. Now that we know angle A, we can use the law of sines to figure out B and C. You could use law of cosines again, but I think law of sines is a little bit quicker. So that's what I'm going to use. So if I wanted to do, let's say, B first, just label it as x this time around. So it'd be 11 over the sine of x equals 14 over the sine of 117. Cross multiply, 14 times the sine of x equals 11 over this, cross multiply, my bad. So it'd be 11 times the sine of 117. Divide both sides by 14 to start getting x by itself. Then to get rid of the sine, we need to take the sine inverse. So the sine inverse of both sides. That will get x by itself. So we need to do the sine inverse of all of this stuff. So sine inverse, 11 times the sine of 117 divided by 14. Yes. Round to 3 sig figs, it comes out to be 44.4 degrees. Now is angle B. This is 44.4. So now the last one, we don't even have to use trig to get angle C. Since we have 2 angles already, we just subtract them both from 180. So angle C will be 180 minus 117 minus 44.4. And we're left with 18.6 degrees.